Today we're diving into the best vacuum cleaners for pet hair. Whether you've got a shedding dog or a cat that leaves fur everywhere, a reliable vacuum cleaner is a lifesaver. We're talking about cordless vacuums, the ones that give you freedom to move around. We've got a list of the top 5 cordless vacuum cleaners for pet owners in 2025. Stick around to find out which vacuum cleaner takes the crown as the ultimate pet hair destroyer. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Levoit cordless vacuum cleaner. Levoit might be known for their air purifiers, but their vacuum cleaner is impressive. It dominated in pet hair removal, especially on carpets. Maneuverability is key, and the Levoit doesn't disappoint. It's super easy to move around furniture and into tight spaces. The HEPA filter traps dust, allergens, and pet dander, so you can breathe easy. With about 30 minutes of runtime, you'll have plenty of juice for most apartments or smaller homes. Overall, the Levoit cordless vacuum cleaner is a solid contender, especially for its price. It punches above its weight class in terms of cleaning performance and features. Coming in at number 4 is the Shark Detect Pro Cordless. Shark is a brand that knows vacuum cleaners, and the Detect Pro Cordless is a testament to their expertise. It has incredible suction power, effortlessly sucking up dirt, debris, and pet hair from all surfaces. The slim design and swivel steering make it highly maneuverable. The smart display shows battery life and cleaning mode. Shark's IQ technology automatically adjusts suction power based on the floor type. With a price tag that won't break the bank, the Shark Detect Pro Cordless offers an awesome combination of power, features, and value. It's a great all-rounder that's sure to please most pet owners. Definitely worth considering for its versatility and performance. At number 3, we have the Dyson Gen 5 Detect Cordless Vacuum. Dyson is synonymous with premium vacuum cleaners, and the Gen 5 Detect is no exception. It delivers exceptional cleaning performance with even greater power than previous models. The advanced whole machine filtration system captures 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. Dyson's signature cyclone technology prevents any loss of suction. The Gen 5 Detect comes with a range of attachments, including a turbine tool for removing pet hair from upholstery and stairs. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line vacuum cleaner, the Dyson Gen 5 Detect Cordless Vacuum is definitely worth considering. Sliding into the number 2 spot is the Shark Stratos Cordless Vacuum. This vacuum cleaner delivers impressive cleaning performance and convenience. The unique dual brush roll system picks up debris of all sizes, from fine dust to larger particles like pet food. It tackles pet hair like a champ, whether embedded in carpets or scattered across hardwood floors. The Stratos boasts an impressive runtime of up to 60 minutes. It's lightweight, easy to maneuver, and comes with Shark's lift-away technology for cleaning stairs and upholstery. A fantastic option for pet owners looking for power and convenience. And now, the top spot on our list goes to the Dyson Vive 15 Detect. The Dyson Vive 15 Detect is an absolute powerhouse with 230 AW of suction power. The laser-guided technology illuminates dust and debris on hard floors, making it easier to spot and suck up hidden particles. It effortlessly removes pet hair from carpets, rugs, and hard floors. The advanced whole machine filtration system traps allergens and pet dander. Specialized pet hair attachments make it a beast for pet owners. The creme de la creme of cordless vacuum cleaners for pet owners. So there you have it, our top 5 picks for the best cordless vacuum cleaners for pet owners in 2025. From powerful suction and innovative features to long run times and ergonomic designs, these machines make your life easier and your home cleaner. Remember, choosing the right vacuum cleaner depends on your specific needs and preferences. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and recommendations. Until next time, keep it clean, keep it techie, and I'll catch you in the next one.